Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. In this tutorial I'm going to show you how to recycle the rings. This is the rings of the plastic bottles of mineral water. This is the rings, okay, from the mineral water. You can remove this one. Okay, let's remove this one. It takes time to remove. I'll just show you how to remove this one. Okay, so this is it already. So I have here two sets of mineral water ring. From the other side is pink color and the other side is white. I'm going to show you how to make earrings with the use of this material. So all you need have your tools, the three primary tools: the long nose, the round one, the cutter, and the flat one. This is all the pliers, and have with you the the hook and the rings. Prepare 4 pieces of this four pieces of this jam ring and 2 pieces of this hook. So let's start. I will show you how to use this one. Okay, just open your ring and put the white one and attach again the other ring, the pink, and close it. Okay, and it looks like this now. And then take another ring, look, open it, and insert the ring of the mineral water and connect the hook of the earrings and close it. And now it's already here. You have already a dangling earring. Okay, that is already very simple. Okay, so you have already 2 rings, instant earrings made from recycled plastic bottles of mineral water. Then I'm going to show you how to create also a necklace. We need to have a matching necklace. So all you need is a shoelace. This is a shoelace. Okay, I have a black one. This is new one, and I inserted this ring from the bottles. It'll alternate white, pink, and white. So I'm going to add again here pink, and another side pink, and another side white. Okay, and another side again white. Okay, so I have here already. Okay, and you can, and this is the end. Okay, and now you can wear it on your neck, and you can tie it on the back of your neck, and you have already an instant necklace. Okay, this is already your necklace with the matching earrings. Okay, with the matching earrings. So it is very easy. You see, you have already a unique necklace, and the pendant is this from the bottle of the rings of the bottle of the mineral water, and 2 earrings. Okay, then I will show you again how to recycle. I have here 2 case. Okay, we will recycle this one. I'm going to show you how to make an earrings. Okay, so all you need, you have 2 rings out. This one jam ring. Open it, and 2 pieces of hook. So all you have to do is to open the ring and insert the case. Okay, and insert the hole of this hook, and after that you have to close it. Okay, and this is it. Okay, and you have already instant earring from recycled old case. You can also use this one as a pendant for your necklace. All you need to have is just insert the case. If you have an damaged or unused charger or headset, you can have this one, the headset. You see, this is the headset. Then cut out this one, and you can use this one. So I have here a black headset already. Okay, I already cut out from the end. Then I'm going to use this as a pendant for my necklace. Okay, this is the pendant, and I'm going to have a necklace also. Okay, this is my necklace now. Okay, this is already my necklace from the recycled case. Okay, and I have here my earrings. Okay, so very simple, and this is very unique project from recycled items in their house. Now I'm going to display all my finished product from recycled materials. This earring from this other side is from the ring of the mineral water, and this one from the shampoo. This one from the cup of the shampoo. Look. Then this one is from the body of the shampoo, bottle of the shampoo. So this is my organizer. You can see this. I recycled my high heel shoes, where I used this from the beauty pageant when I was a little bit younger. And now I have also another finished product. This is also my high heel shoes. This earrings is from recycled empty cups of yogurt. This is it. Okay, and I'm going also to display my case, the earring that I have made now. Okay, so very cute and beautiful. This is out from recycled materials. So I hope you will learn how to recycle your waste materials, and these waste materials will lead you to have a good project, and you can sell this one, and you can make money out of waste. Okay, thank you, and I hope that you will continue to watch my video tutorials, SGM creation and tutorials. Thank you for watching, and please like and subscribe. Dankeschön, and see you again in my next tutorial. Bye bye.